Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I will share with you a script that I can use to make Excel behaves an IDE and run Python within Excel. Above are few libraries that we will use in today's examples. Actually, not all of them, but some. As we progress in this video series, I will tell you when you will need to add more. Basically, what this script does, it iterates 2 times through the highlighted cell range. First, it creates a list of numbers that I called var cells. Then, it iterates for the second time using var cells as indexes in the highlighted cell range. In the second iteration, the script checks for specific strings equal and def, and then executes or evaluates the highlighted cell. It depends on what in the cell. Next, it checks for the last cell in the highlighted cell range and only evaluate the last cell. Next, I have added a few checks for special syntaxes. These syntaxes help me for running a specific code somewhere in an Excel spreadsheet on my project file or in an external Excel file. I can run it by only selecting 1 or 2 cells as input. By taking a few examples, you can understand what I mean. Once I click on the Run Main button on xlwings tab, if there is no problem, it returns you the output beginning from cell D1. If not, an error window will pop up. Finally, it does an out-of-it columns to make reading columns easy and looks better. Let's run these examples one by one and see how it works. Don't worry, I will write down everything in the description section below. I hope you learned and enjoyed See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.